guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of my pound cake video. I ran out of space filming my other video, the part 1. So this is part 2. The cake is out of the oven. It was baked at 325 for an hour. And this is what we have. So that's good. You see that split in the middle? See, that's what we country folks like. We like that. So it's going to cool, and I'll come back when it's cool enough for me to take it out of the pan, and then I'll show you when it's cool enough, and I'll drizzle the glaze that we made earlier. Okay, so thank you so much, and I am so sorry that I had to break this up, but I miscalculated the space and the timing on my phone. Alright, so let's see here. Give you another look. Of this, and it smells wonderful. Okay. I'll be back. Okay guys, now the cake has cooled enough to pop out of the pan. Normally I would run this spatula to lift it out, but this one, I put a little extra, well not extra, but too much batter in this one, because normally I would, not put as much, but it's fine. It's fine. It's been a while since I made this, and I would like fill this 1/3 of the way, and then I would use the rest of it for cupcakes. But so it was a little overflow. So the cake's gonna easily come on out. That's fine. It's good, and it smells wonderful in here. So I'm going to let it cool down some more. Let it probably another 30 minutes, and then we'll glaze her. Put the glaze on there because it'll just melt through. Alright, coming right back. Alright you guys, my cake is cooled and ready for glazing. And I take some wax paper and I put it under my rack. Go on and stir up my glaze, and we're going to just pour it on. Just spread it out evenly. Let me get my spatula. That's all I need. A nice glaze, because the flavor of the cake is wonderful. So let me take a slice. I'll get this end piece is kind of dark. It's beautiful. See how nice that is on the inside? That's nice. That's glaze still dropping. Just cut this. The cake is so delicious and it's so versatile. And it's like, say if you don't have waffles in your house, slice up some pound cake, like melt some butter in a pan, slice up some pound cake, put it in the pan, warm it up, then you could sprinkle syrup over it, put berries on top of it. The other day I put some butter and brown sugar, put some fresh apples, and you can top that over the cake. Like I said, you can use it for breakfast. Fry it in a pan, get it hot, powdered sugar, and it's wonderful. It's great to have these, and they freeze well. So yes. All right, so hubby will be happy to have this cake. And the only thing I would say is don't fill the pan as much as I did. I knew better, but I was like, I just want to see what it's going to do. All right, guys, so thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And C. Jenkins, thanks so much for suggesting I make a lemon pound cake. And this is a quarantine pound cake. This was using everything that I already had in my possession, in my pantry. Turned out great. Thanks, guys, so much. Thanks for your support. And let's keep rolling. Bye.